We have a big announcement here at Draganfly. Building off the success of our EMS delivery operations and the need to scale up our air-based humanitarian efforts in Ukraine, we have created a UAV that simply outclasses the competition. The DHL, Draganfly's Heavy Lift Drone, is a versatile, multi-rotor UAV designed to carry more and fly longer. This powerhouse handles heavy winds and high elevations with ease and can accommodate a variety of interchangeable payloads with a lift capacity of up to 67 pounds. That's 30 kilograms and an incredible 55-minute flight time on a single charge. Our patented modular parcel delivery system can hold objects up to 34 inches in length. And with a 30-kilometer range, this system is a low-cost, highly efficient solution positioned to redefine the shipping services space. It supports both automated missions and manual flight operations with LTE-enabled autonomous navigation and an advanced flight controlling system for long-range, beyond visual line-of-sight operations. The DHL's tremendous lift capacity allows our engineering team a great deal of latitude in customizing this airframe to excel at integrating a wide array of technologies, such as large high-end sensors to conduct large area surveys. Our ability to engineer innovative solutions for aerial applications and to deliver critical time-sensitive cargo on a mass scale is limited only by the payload capacity of currently available technologies. So we've built an airframe that outmuscles the competition in delivering innovation.